Car video night lights enhance visibility, reduce eye strain, improve ambience, and ensure safer nighttime driving. My today's video is about top 5 best car video with night light that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Terunsoul Car Video Night Light, the Terunsoul 4K dash cam delivers impressive performance with its dual front and rear Ultra HD recording. Both cameras capture in 4K, providing sharp, detailed footage with a wide 170 degrees field of view that covers multiple lanes, ideal for capturing critical road events. It comes ready to use with a pre-installed 128GB card, and features like loop recording and a responsive G-sensor ensure important footages during accidents. Night performance is excellent thanks to its starlight night vision and wide apertures, producing clear images even in low-light conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi and app control make it easy to view, download, and share videos instantly. GPS tracking adds another layer of reliability by recording speed and routes, which can be useful for evidence. The 24-hour parking mode, with hardwire kit, enhances security when your car is unattended. Overall, it's a reliable, feature-rich dashcam offering strong value, easy installation, and peace of mind on the road. Now our second product is DoHonest Car Video Night Light. The DoHonest Baby Car Camera is a must-have for parents seeking safety and peace of mind while driving. With its HD 1080p resolution and 150 degrees wide-angle view, it provides a clear, real-time look at your baby, whether it's day or night. The automatic night vision works seamlessly, ensuring visibility even in low-light conditions. Its 360 degrees adjustable camera makes positioning easy, fitting various car seats and vehicles without hassle. The 4.3-inch display is bright and clear, offering a distraction-free view so you can keep your focus on the road. Installation is quick and tool-free, just plug and play. Additional features like brightness adjustment and mirror mode allow a personalized viewing experience. Built with durable materials, it's designed for long-term use. Most importantly, it reduces the need to turn around while driving, enhancing safety. Overall, it's a reliable, affordable, and thoughtful solution, perfect for everyday use or as a gift for new parents. Our third product is Rove Car Video Night Light. The Rove R2-4K dual dash cam is a powerful and feature-rich option for drivers who want reliable road coverage. With 4K front and 1080p rear recording, it captures sharp, detailed footage from both angles. The wide viewing angles, 150 degrees front, 140 degrees rear, ensure you don't miss important moments on the road. One of its standout features is the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, delivering excellent image quality and impressive night vision. Even in low-light conditions, footage remains clear and detailed thanks to the wide apertures. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi makes video transfer fast and convenient through the Rove app, while GPS tracking adds valuable data like speed and route history. It also comes with a free 128GB card and supports up to 1TB, which is great for long recordings. Advanced features like loop recording, G-sensor, and parking mode enhance security. Overall, it's a high-performance dashcam that combines quality, convenience, and peace of mind. Now number 4, Suvcon Car Video Night Light. The Suvcon Triple Dash Cam is an impressive all-in-one solution for full vehicle coverage. Featuring a 170 degrees wide-angle front camera, 150 degrees cabin camera, and 150 degrees waterproof rear camera, it effectively reduces blind spots, providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers. The IPS screen ensures clear visibility from any angle without distortion. Equipped with a G-sensor and parking monitor, it automatically locks emergency footage if it detects collisions or sudden shocks while parked. Loop recording is convenient, allowing continuous recording by overwriting the oldest files, and the included 32GB SD card means you're ready to use immediately. Nighttime driving is well supported with superior WDR technology and 4 infrared LED lights, capturing sharp, balanced footage even in low-light conditions. Installation is simple, just mount it on the windshield, plug in, and it's ready. Overall, this dash cam combines convenience, advanced safety features, and reliable recording quality, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance road security and coverage. And our last choice is Pelsee Car Video Night Light. The Pelsee 4K plus 1080p dual dash cam is a feature-packed solution for drivers seeking clarity and reliability. The front camera captures stunning 4K footage with a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, while the rear 1080p camera covers a 150 degrees view, ensuring full road coverage and clear evidence in any situation. Its built-in Wi-Fi and the Pelsee Cam app make managing recordings effortless. You can view, download, replay, and even edit videos directly on your smartphone. Voice-activated commands add convenience and safety, allowing hands-free control for recording, photos, or locking videos. Night vision is excellent thanks to a wide f1.5 aperture and advanced image processing, capturing crisp details like license plates and road signs even in low-light conditions without glare distortion. Parking mode with G-sensor detection keeps your car monitored 24/7, automatically locking collision footage. Loop recording with a pre-installed 64GB SD card ensures continuous recording without interruption. Overall, this dashcam combines high-resolution footage, user-friendly controls, and advanced safety features, making it a reliable companion for every drive. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.